What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about MetriCool. MetriCool is an all-in-one social media management tool that helps professionals, agencies, and brands increase their digital visibility and connect with their audience in a simple and efficient way. With MetriCool, users can schedule content, measure results, analyze competitors, and create visual reports in just a few clicks. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Social media analytics. MetriCool's centralized analytics provide a comprehensive view of your social media performance across all your profiles and websites. Instead of jumping between different platforms to gather data, MetriCool brings everything together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can quickly understand which of your content is resonating most with your audience, allowing you to replicate successful strategies and optimize your social media approach for maximum impact. Influencer analysis. MetriCool's competitor and influencer analysis tools enable you to spy on the social media performance of brands and individuals in your industry. By monitoring their real-time activity, you can gain valuable insights into winning strategies that you can adapt for your own brand. This feature provides a strategic advantage by helping you identify top-performing content, popular hashtags, and effective influencer partnerships that you can leverage to stay ahead of the competition. Social media reporting. Creating comprehensive social media reports can be a time-consuming task, but MetriCool's automated reporting feature streamlines the process. With just a few clicks, you can generate custom reports in PDF or PPT format, saving countless hours of manual data collection and report creation. MetriCool also allows you to automate the delivery of these reports to your clients on a monthly basis, ensuring consistent and professional communication. Hashtag performance tracking. Selecting the right hashtags is crucial for increasing your social media reach and engagement, but it can be challenging to determine which ones are most effective. MetriCool's hashtag tracker solves this problem by providing data-driven insights into the performance of the hashtags you use in your posts. By identifying which hashtags drive the most impressions and engagement, you can optimize your hashtag strategy and make informed decisions about which tags to include in your future content. Streamlined content planning. MetriCool's Content Planner allows you to schedule a month's worth of social media content in advance, saving you valuable time and effort. With this feature, you can plan out your content calendar ahead of time, selecting the best posting times and hashtags to maximize your reach and engagement. By streamlining your content creation process, MetriCool enables you to focus on creating high-quality, engaging posts that aligns with your brand's messaging and voice. AI-powered post generation. Crafting engaging social media posts can be a challenge, especially when faced with writer's block. MetriCool's AI-powered post generation feature helps overcome this obstacle by automatically generating post ideas and copy that align with your brand's voice and messaging. This feature provides a starting point for your content creation process, saving you time and effort while ensuring that your posts are engaging and on brand. Centralized social media inbox. Effectively managing your social media community can be a time-consuming task, especially when you have to check multiple platforms for messages and comments. MetriCool's centralized social media inbox solves this problem by bringing all your messages and comments together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can efficiently respond to and engage with your audience across multiple platforms, saving you time and improving your overall community management strategy. When it comes to pricing, MetriCool offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets and needs, including a free plan that allows users to manage one brand associated with one profile for each social platform, a starter plan starting at $18 a month with annual payment, or $22 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 5 brands, an advanced plan starting at $45 a month with annual payment, or $54 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 50 brands and offering additional features like team and client access, role management, post-approval system, customizable report templates, complete Twitter or X analytics, Looker Studio connection and Zapier integration, and a custom plan for users who need to manage more than 50 brands, which includes all the features of the advanced plan, along with a custom number of brands, customized publication limit, and integration capabilities. MetriCool is a powerful all-in-one social media management platform that streamlines your workflow and provides valuable insights to help you make data-driven decisions. With its centralized analytics, competitor analysis, automated reporting, and AI-powered features, MetriCool empowers professionals, agencies, and brands to optimize their social media strategy and drive real results. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.